Hello and welcome to 24/7 English. My name is Connor. I am here for you. I want to help you speak English with confidence. I want you to feel safe, calm, and strong when you speak. Today, I want to talk with you about something very special. It's about helping someone who is afraid. Someone who feels nervous to speak English. Maybe that person is your friend. Maybe it is your child. Maybe it is someone in your family. Or maybe that person is you. This podcast is for you. It is for anyone who feels fear when they try to speak English. I understand that feeling. Many people feel that. I felt that too. Speaking another language is not easy. You may think, what if I make a mistake? Or, what if they laugh at me? You feel small. You feel shy. You feel afraid. But listen closely. You are not alone. And today, I will walk with you, step by step. We will learn how to help someone in fear English. We will learn how to speak with kindness, how to build confidence, and how to make English feel safe, not scary. This podcast has 8 parts. Each part will help you more and more. Please listen slowly. You can stop and listen again anytime. You can speak with me. You can shadow me. This is your safe place to learn. Now take a deep breath, relax your body, smile a little. You are here, and that is enough. You showed up. That is brave. Let's begin. Section 2. One powerful idea. Kind words can open the door. There is one small idea I want you to remember today. Just one. Kind words can open the door. When someone feels fear, they close their heart. Their body becomes tight. Their voice becomes small. But when you speak with kind words, the door begins to open. Fear starts to melt. Confidence begins to grow. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need big vocabulary. You just need soft eyes, a warm smile, a kind voice, and a simple sentence like, I'm here with you. Don't worry, you can do it. I also felt nervous before. These are small words, but they are big in meaning. When you speak them, something changes inside the listener. They feel safe. They feel seen. And slowly, they speak. Fear English means someone is afraid to speak. They know the words, but they cannot say them. Maybe their hands shake. Maybe their mind goes blank. But with kind words, you help them try again. That is powerful. You do not need to be a teacher to help. You just need to be human. Kindness is stronger than fear. Section 3. You are not alone. Many people feel fear. Now let's talk about feelings. Fear is not bad. Fear is normal. Many people feel fear when they speak English. They feel nervous. They feel small. They feel like they are not good enough. Let me tell you something. I have met hundreds of English learners. Do you know what most of them say? They say, I know English in my head, but I can't speak it. Or they say, I feel shy. I feel scared. I don't want to make mistakes. That is very normal. And if you feel this too, I want you to know, you are not the only one. Even strong people feel fear. Even good speakers feel nervous. It is okay to feel fear. But don't stay stuck in it. You can move forward. You can grow. You can speak. And if you want to help someone in fear English, just remember, listen to them. Look at their eyes. Let them know you understand. Say things like, "It's okay, take your time," or "You don't have to be perfect," or "I believe in you." When someone feels that support, they become stronger. Their fear becomes smaller. And they try again. That is the first step to fluency, not being perfect. Just trying again. Section 4. What you can do. 5 small actions to help someone in fear. Now, I want to give you something you can use today. 5 small actions. You can do these with anyone who feels fear English, or you can use them for yourself. 1. Smile and speak slowly. Your smile gives safety. Your slow voice gives calm. This helps the other person breathe and think. 2. Use easy words and short sentences. Don't use big or fast words. Say things like, "How are you?" or "Let's try together." 3. Be patient. Don't rush. Sometimes people need time to find the words. Let them finish. Don't complete the sentence for them. Wait. That silence is okay. 4. Repeat after me. Say one short sentence, then ask them to repeat. Say, "I like English." Then wait for them. This builds rhythm and confidence. 5. Celebrate small wins. Did they say one word? Clap for them. Did they try again? Say, "Good job." Every small step is a big success. These small actions are magic. They are simple but powerful. Try one today. You will see the light in someone's eyes come back, and maybe they will start to believe in themselves. Section 5. Let's practice together. Say these sentences with me. Now, let's do something special. Let's speak together. I will say one sentence. You repeat after me. Ready? Let's begin. I can do it. You say, "I can do it." It's okay to be slow. You say, "It's okay to be slow." I don't need to be perfect. You say, "I don't need to be perfect." I will try again. You say, "I will try again." I believe in myself. You say, "I believe in myself." Very good. Say it again, with feeling, with your heart. Let's do one more round. I can do it. It's okay to be slow. I don't need to be perfect. I will try again. I believe in myself. You did it. Every time you say these sentences, your brain becomes stronger. Your heart becomes braver. Your English becomes more free. Practice this every day. Speak with your mirror, speak with your friend, or speak with me again and again. You are not just learning English, you are building your courage. Section 6. Mistakes are your teachers. Don't be afraid of them. Now let's talk about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. I make mistakes. You will make mistakes. That is normal. That is how we learn. A baby falls many times before walking. But no one tells the baby to stop. We clap, we cheer, we say, "Try again." You are learning a language. You will make grammar mistakes. You will forget words. You will say something wrong. But that's okay. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is communication. So tell the person in fear, it's okay, make mistakes. It means you are learning. And tell yourself, I am learning. I am growing. I will keep going. Mistakes are not the end. They are the beginning. Each one teaches you something. So be brave. Speak anyway. Section 7. You are already good enough. Now I want to remind you of something important. You are already good enough. You don't need more books right now. You don't need more grammar rules. You just need one thing: belief. Believe that you can speak. Believe that your voice matters. Believe that your kind words can help someone. You are not too old. You are not too slow. You are not too late. You are exactly where you need to be. Take one step, then take another. Every step forward is English. Every word spoken is English. Every kind word shared is English. You are doing it. Section 8. Final words, one step at a time, together. Let's finish together. I want you to feel proud right now. You listened. You practiced. You stayed with me. That shows your heart. English is not just words. It is connection. It is support. It is courage. If someone you know feels fear English, be there for them. Be the calm voice. Be the kind smile. Help them speak. And if you feel fear English, remember this: you are not alone. You are not weak. You are growing. Say this with me one more time. I can speak English. I will not give up. I am stronger than my fear. Thank you for joining me. Come back anytime. Practice again. Speak again. Smile again. This is Connor from 24/7 English. I believe in you, and I will see you in the next episode. Take care. Keep speaking.